Our theme this year is Dream Big.
In order to reach our big dreams, we are going to fly high.
So we decided to hold a paper airplane contest.
On Thursday, October 10th.
We'll be at a table in the cafeteria with paper and markers.
Our buddy Soren, expert paper plane maker, will be there with his paper airplane book to help us in our guidance.
We ask that you decorate your plane writing your big dream on the paper.
Then, fold the paper into a paper airplane. From there, the students are dismissed. We will head outside to test out our airplanes.
We'll line up behind the cones and then start our paper airplane contest.
We will measure each and every toss, keeping track of the longest distances.
At the end of every lunch, we will crown the top 4 airplane throwers.
Dad.
Those 4 students will receive a donut.
Or a substitute snack if dietary restrictions prevent you from eating pastries.
The top 3 throwers overall will receive an additional prize.
Ooh, I wonder what it will be!
So if you've got big dreams and you want them to fly high, then come join our paper airplane flying contest
Thursday, October 10th.
at lunch.